For too many, traditional home health care just doesn't cut it. Meet Nancy. She is recovering from hip replacement surgery and needs help getting around the house. Thankfully, Nancy has Medicaid. So she calls her local home care agency and asks them to send over someone to care for her. But when no one shows up, Nancy is furious and alone. She has no one to prepare her food or take her to the doctor's appointment. Desperately, Nancy calls the agency again, and they promise to send an aide the next day. When Nancy's new aide finally arrives, the trouble begins. Just when Nancy is about to give up, it gets worse. When the aide must stop working, the replacement is no better. Nancy feels trapped. But what if there is a better way? With Freedom Care, Nancy is free to direct her own care. Through Freedom Care, Nancy can choose her own caregiver.
So besides for my spouse or designated representative, I can really choose anyone I like? Wow, I can choose my son, daughter, or next-door neighbor. I think I'll use my favorite niece, Sandra. She's a student. She can help me in her spare time. She's legal to work in the U.S., and she has a clean bill of health.
Nancy now enjoys the loving care and company of a caregiver she trusts and loves, and who loves her. Sandra can work all eligible hours without the need for a replacement. Best of all, she earns a nice paycheck for her time, so she doesn't have to get another job that would distract her from caring for her favorite aunt, Nancy. That's the power of Freedom Care. Choose your own caregiver and be surrounded by family, friends, or other trusted personal care aides. Call Freedom Care today at 844-55-FREEDOM. That's 844-553-7333.